Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for a new unboxing and review. Today it's the Imperial Commando from Star Wars The Bad Batch. As you know, if you order from Sideshow Collectibles, the online queue system for exclusive figures is really terrible, but I was lucky enough to be able to get this one and Commando Scorch. So first, as usual, let's talk about the box. So let's talk about the obvious first, this warning sticker. This is new. It's a warning sticker about coin batteries. And that's really annoying that they put it up front. They should have put it there with the usual product information. This is really annoying. But other than that, it's your usual Star Wars Collectibles box, which means it's a blank box with a promotional picture of a figure there and the Star Wars logo. If you got your figure from Sideshow Collectibles, you'll get the Sideshow exclusive sticker, and if you get it from the Asian market, you'll have the Hot Toys sticker. For the Bad Batch figures, you have a red colored strip with an additional picture of a figure there and another one there. When you remove the first part of the box, you get this beautiful picture and then the figure. So now let's talk about the accessories. In terms of accessories, you don't get much, just the essentials for a commando. If the warning wasn't enough on the box, you have two more warnings about coin batteries inside the box. The batteries are actually packed like this and include a US phone number for the National Battery Ingestion Hotline. This is because the US law now requires toy companies to warn about ingestion of coin batteries. The display base is the usual Star Wars interior base. It's a simple one that works with almost every figure. Then it has 6 hands. 2 hands to hold the blaster, two different gesture hands, one open hand, and one pointing finger hand. As for the weapons, he has a DC-17M interchangeable weapon system. It's the basic blaster for clone commandos. It's actually the same one that came with Hunter and Wrecker. It has a nice paint app and some weathering on the silver parts. Plus, like most clones, he has a full thermal detonator and a half one. Finally, he has his backpack. It works with a magnet, and it's actually the same one that came with Hunter. You can open the top to store the detonators. So now let's take a look at the figure. Ever since we saw Clone Commandos in the Bad Batch, I have been waiting for Hot Toys to make one of them, and it finally happened. We are also getting Commando Scorch and potentially a white Clone Commando. Overall, the figure looks great in hand. I like the grey markings, it gives an Imperial vibe, while their placement is reminiscent of the Coruscant Guards. It's mostly a kit bash of Hunter, as he has a similar armor. However, there is one problem: the shoulder pads. Commandos have bulkier shoulder pads and they are not supposed to be up, but they're supposed to be down like this. This is honestly my only complaint on this figure, and that says a lot about how much I love this commando. The helmet is a brand new one and Hot Toys has absolutely nailed it. It looks beautiful. Even if you don't turn on the light function on the visor, They painted it in a way that still looks good. Obviously, if you turn on the light, it looks even better. I'm actually surprised they didn't use the USB powered function for this one. They could have installed the USB system under the backpack, it would have worked just fine. And we would have avoided the 3 warnings about the coin batteries. In terms of articulation, it can slightly look up, it can look down, and look on each side. You can move the arms like this. You can move the hands. You can also move the legs like this way. You can adjust this part, and you can move the feet. For a first Clone Commando figure, this is a great one except for the shoulder pads. It will be a nice addition to your clone collection. And as you can see, I removed the warning sticker, but they did put a lot of glue, so there's still some left on my box. Thanks again for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!